Let's create one more tutorial in Siemens and Next. In this tutorial, you'll learn to use the Extrude, Edge Blend, Face Blend, that is the full round fillet, and the chamfer. So open the NX and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and make this face here. We have the dimensions here. This line here has 50 millimeters of length, and this line here has 15 millimeters, and this line here has 20 millimeters, and this line here has 55 plus the radius here, that is 22 millimeters. So it is 77 millimeters. So let's create this in the right plane. Go to create a sketch and select the right plane. Select the line. Click here on this point. I will make the sketch and put the dimensions later. And here, this line here has 50 millimeters. This line here has 20 millimeters, 77 millimeters here, and 15 millimeters here. Okay, finish the sketch. Now we need to extrude this, and we will extrude this 44 millimeters. So go to extrude, and they start here, select symmetric, and the distance is 44 millimeters, and press OK. You can hide the sketch one. And now we will create the fillets in this edge here and in this edge. The fillet here is 5 millimeters, and in this edge here we have a full round fillet, this one. So let's create this. Go to Edge Blend and select this edge and this edge, and the fillet here 5 millimeters of radius, and press OK. And now we will create the full round fillet. So to create this, go to Edge Blend and select Face Blend. And here, select here to single face, to select a single face. And here select 3 faces. The face 1, select this. The face 2, select this face. And the center face, select this one. You will make this fillet here and press OK. And now we will create this slot. So this slot has 40 millimeters by 15. And we need to make a cut here through all this body. So now go to create a sketch and select this face. And here go to include and select this arc here, press OK. And now we will make a slot here. So go to more and select slot. And here we will find this point here. Make a slot here. We'll put the dimensions, okay? The distance here is 40 millimeters. And the radius here will be 15/2. And here make sure that this point here is coincident with the center of this arc. And now finish the sketch and go to extrude. And they start here, select it through all. And the operation here, select subtract. And press OK. Hide the sketch 5. We need to create this hole here with 15 millimeters of diameter. And the distance between the center of this hole and this edge here is 17.5. So go to create a sketch, and here I will select the back face and press OK. And select a circle, make a circle here. This circle has 15 millimeters of diameter. And go to include, select this edge here, and or select only the center of this edge. Move the mouse here and select the center point here and press OK. And now select this point and select the center of the circle. And the distance here is 17.5 millimeters. And here let me make a construction line here between this point and the center of this circle. And transform this to a construction geometry. And finish the sketch. Go to extrude. The start here, select through all, operation, subtract, and press OK. And now to finish this, we need to create this chamfer with 2 millimeters. So go to chamfer. The distance is 2 millimeters and select this edge here and press OK. So that's it. Here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.